In this video, I will show you all how to submit an assignment to a Turnitin Dropbox. Turnitin Dropbox is different from other Dropboxes. Turnitin Dropbox has this trademarked icon right here, and Turnitin Dropboxes are Dropboxes that are used to submit all of your essays, all of your papers, all of the essays and the research papers, as well as other things as designated by your instructor or by me. Okay, so I am in a sample Turnitin Dropbox for my sample course. Okay, as you can see, this Dropbox is currently open. This is called active, and you can see the due date and over there, and you can see that this is my instructor view. Now your view of the Dropbox may be limited to just a few of these features, and you will only see your name, whereas as an instructor, I see everybody's name. So that's how I can check and grade submissions. Okay, but to make a submission up here, you click on submit. So the process is pretty much the same for the instructor or for the student. Once you click submit up here, your name will be automatically here. But mine is just the first on the list as an instructor. You'll make a submission title, MLA. Okay. Here you will upload your file. Hopefully you saved it as a Microsoft Word file in the computer. You'll find it by excuse me, by browsing. I'll just upload a sample. Let me just pull a file from here. Sample works. Let me post that. Okay, after you found your file, you will click on Submit Paper. Now, for those of you who are making a submission to the Turnitin Dropbox for the first time in your college career, you will probably be seeing a Dropbox. You will probably see, before your submission is successful, you will see a dialog box with the terms and conditions from Turnitin that you will have to agree or accept. Now to view the accept button, you might have to scroll all the way down, and on the bottom, kind of somewhere right here, I know I don't have it here, but you'll see I accept. You want to click on that, but this is a one-time only thing for if you're a first-time user. After that, you will not be asked to do that again. But anyway, assuming that then and after you agree, you should get a message. After you agree to the terms and conditions, you fill this part out, right? And you upload it, and then you click submit paper. Then after that, you should receive a message from Turnitin saying paper successfully submitted. If you try to submit to the Dropbox after the deadline has passed, okay, you will receive a message up here. No, if your paper is not submitted for, because it's not the raw file, for example, you will receive a message in red, right, explaining the issues, right? But if you try to make a submission to the Dropbox after the due date has passed, here is what you'll see. Let me go back. If you try to submit to a Turnitin Dropbox after the due date has passed, as you can see, the due date has passed here, the status will say completed. Completed means that the Dropbox is closed, all right? But let's see, if you still try to make a submission after the Dropbox has closed anyway, you will receive an error message. So let's say you're trying to submit, and I'll just use this person. If this is you, I will immediately erase any submission I made in your name. This is just for demonstration purposes only. Then after you upload the file, you click on submit, and you will get an error message. There you go. It says an unrecognized error occurred while attempting to submit. It doesn't tell you what that error is, but this is not a technical issue. I wish Turnitin would tell you simply that the deadline has passed, therefore you cannot make a submission. But instead of saying that, it gives you an explanation or that is hardly an explanation at all. It just says an unrecognized error. Okay. If you document this, right, I will know that there's no technical issue at all. Actually, what you've been trying to do is that you try to make a submission after the Dropbox has closed already, and this is the message that Turnitin gives when you try to make a late submission after the Dropbox has passed. So please understand that.